Hi, welcome to today's short video lecture on the Keynesian theory of consumption. This is part of lecture SF1. Keynes' theory about consumption is pretty simple. He thinks it's a fundamental psychological law that when you get more income, you consume more, but you won't consume all of the extra income you get. So the relationship is really straightforward. It's when Y goes up, that implies that C goes up, but not by as much as Y went up. In general, we're going to focus on not income itself, which is we denote by Y, but disposable income. So after you pay your taxes, the income that's left over, so Y minus T. And our consumption, and the Keynesian consumption function is just C equals A plus marginal propensity to consume times Y minus T. So basically, in the Keynesian world, people are going to consume some basic amount to survive. That's what A represents, and then they consume a specific fraction of their leftover disposable income. And the specific fraction we call the marginal propensity to consume. That's really important to know both what it represents and what those letters stand for. And if we wanted to write an equation for marginal propensity to consume, you can see that it's just the change in consumption, and this is the best way to think of it. It's the change in consumption when you change disposable income by a unit. So if you had $1 more and after you paid your taxes this year, how much more would you spend? That would be your marginal propensity to consume. Keynes believed that this was a large number, pretty close to 1, something like 0.9. So now we have 3 questions to test your understanding. These are by far the most important part of the video. If you don't do the questions, you won't learn how to do anything. You can only learn to do by doing. Thanks for watching.